Hi, I'm Nathan Tracy from TE, where I'm on our system architecture team. And I'm here at the OIF's 448 gigabit per second networking workshop for AI applications. And TE is very proud to be providing additional channel models and analysis of those channels for the 448 gigabit per second application. This is going to be a critical need for the industry, and the starting point needs to be the channels. The equipment can't get smaller. The electrons still have to get from the same point A to point B, and so the industry really needs to see what the practicality of those channels are. So we're looking at next generation interconnects. We're including those in those channels, and we're presenting that information here at the OIF, and as well as some of our ecosystem partners have analyzed those channels and are bringing that analysis forward as well. So we're happy to be part of the conversation. It's a great opportunity for TE to help lead the industry and bring our technology forward and help to enable the next generation of data center systems.